Today I am going to give you question answers of chapter 3 of social studies class 5th. Lesson 3, Maps and their uses. Oral question answers. Question A, in which ways is a map more useful than a globe? Answer, a map may show a neighborhood, a city, a state, a country, or even the entire earth. A map gives us the information of places located on the surface of the earth in greater details than a globe. Question B. Name the direction that lies at the top of the map. Answer. The direction that lies at the top of the map is north. Question C. Name the map which shows the boundaries of countries or states. Answer. The map which shows the boundaries of countries or states are called political maps. Long answers. Answer number A. Question number A. Which is a map? Answer. A map is a representation of all or a part of the earth's surface on a flat piece of paper or on piece of wall or board. Question number B. Why is a map more accurate than a globe? Answer. A globe is more accurate than a map because globe is a miniature model of the earth. It represents earth almost perfectly. Rather, a map is the representation of the earth's surface on flat piece of paper. Question C. How is a map more useful than a globe? Answer. A map is more useful than a globe because map shows a neighborhood, a city, a state, a country, or even the entire earth. A map gives us information of places located on the surface of the earth is greater details than a globe. Rather, a globe does not contain all the information that we might need about a place. It is difficult to locate small areas, cities, and towns on the globe. Question number D. What is the difference between a political map and a physical map? Answer. Difference between a political map and a physical map. A political map shows boundaries between countries, states, and districts, etc. While physical map shows the various relief features such as mountain, plateaus, rivers, valleys, and natural areas, etc. Question number E. What is the language of a map? Answer. Direction, scale, colors and symbols, legend or key. are things which we need to show, to study and interpret the maps. This is why these things are called the language of a map. Question number F. Why are various symbols used in a map? Answer. Map use different symbols such as dots, lines, squares, triangles and grid to represent different features like towns, rivers, rail lines, roads, boundaries, etc. Question number G. What do you understand by the scale of a map? Answer. The scale of a map is defined as the ratio between the distance on the map and the actual distance on the ground. Question number H. What is the difference between a small scale map and a large scale map? Answer. A small scale map shows a large area, whereas a large scale map shows a small area. Now, your homework is write all the questions and answers of lesson 3 in your fair note copy. Thank you.